When you're pruning thick branches, you want a tool that can get the job done quickly and cleanly. This is the Fiskars PowerGear2 32-inch Lopper, built for effortless cuts up to 2 inches thick. Just before we dive in, remember to check out the links in the description for the latest deals on this lopper and top-rated related products. If you're looking to tackle those thick, stubborn branches in your yard, this is the tool. The Fiskars PowerGear2 32-inch Lopper takes heavy-duty pruning to a whole new level, engineered for cuts up to a full 2 inches in diameter. Let's dig into every impressive feature that sets it apart. The heart of this lopper is the PowerGear technology. This clever system gives you a significant mechanical advantage, so each cut feels nearly effortless, around 3 times the cutting power of standard loppers. No need to strain. Just one smooth squeeze, and it powers through with ease. Next, there's the size. Measuring 32 inches from tip to handle, the lopper gives you great reach while remaining manageable. That extra length is perfect for reaching high branches without needing a ladder. And since it weighs in on the lighter side for its class, it feels surprisingly easy to handle even on longer jobs. When it comes to blade design, the bypass steel blade on this lopper is a game-changer. The non-stick coating allows the blade to glide smoothly through thick branches, preventing it from getting gummed up with sap and reducing friction. This means cleaner cuts that keep your trees healthier, with less tearing and fewer jagged edges. However, every tool, without exception, has its limitations. The PowerGear system's innovative design allows for a wide, almost 180-degree arm opening. This can make working in tight spots a bit challenging. But once you experience the ease of cutting through thick branches, it's a small trade-off. For big, open cuts, this lopper excels, and the slight adjustment to your positioning quickly becomes second nature. Then there's the build quality. Fiskars uses a durable steel gear mechanism, which feels incredibly solid in the hand. The handles, though lightweight, have been noted to feel a bit on the cheaper side compared to the heavy-duty blades. But this lighter design does make the lopper easier to maneuver, especially during extended pruning sessions. One of the best aspects is the lifetime warranty from Fiskars. They stand behind this product, giving you peace of mind that it's built to last. For anyone with limited grip strength or recovering from an injury, this PowerGear design provides substantial assistance. You'll notice that even thick, knobby branches that usually require all your strength to cut become surprisingly manageable. It's a powerful tool for homeowners who want quick, clean cuts without the effort of traditional loppers. With the Fiskars PowerGear 2, you're looking at an unmatched blend of cutting power, reach, and reliability. Perfect for tackling even the toughest pruning tasks, this lopper makes outdoor maintenance less of a chore and more of a breeze. Snip, clip, and you're done. If pruning variety is what you need, take a look at the best hand pruner for gardeners and hobbyists. It's ready to play on the screen now.